Eyewear fashion is enticing, irresistible, but not sustainable. Eyewear contributes to the second highest percentage of wastage in the fashion industry, leading to 80% of its manufacturing material to landfill. And its impact is costing Mother Earth heavily. It's time to be a curator, not a consumer. Transition to 3D printed eyewear. Introduced by India's first eco-friendly brand, Stone's 3D Eyewear. Created with the cutting-edge international technology with almost zero waste output. Polyamide, a unique combination of softness and flexibility, is used to carve the frames, making them perfect for all-day wear. The world-class polishing and tumbling provides the finest and sleek finish. Premium skin-friendly colorants are used to create a range of vibrant shades. Stone's 3D Eyewear introduces an environmentally safe eyewear to minimize our carbon footprint. Ultra-modern German hinges. Range of 8 colors and 12 dynamic designs. Highly durable and ultra-light frames. Unique engraving features. Easily adjustable frames. Dazzle. Stand out. Stream your own style. Be natural. 3D printed frames by Stone's 3D.